Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that the graph shows the distance traveled, d in feet, by a product on a conveyor belt m minutes after the product has been placed on the belt. We're asked to find the equation that relates d and m. So to find this equation of this line, we can use slope-intercept form. So it's going to be y is equal to mx plus b, right? Where we have the y-axis and the x-axis. Ignore the fact that our actual variables are not x and y, they're d and m. We're going to solve the equation with x and y, and then we're going to put d and m back in at the end. That's just because it's going to be a little bit confusing if we have m for the slope and m for the time in minutes. So we're just going to do x and y. So to find the equation of a line, you got to pick 2 points. So we can choose the origin, 0, 0. If you have that as an option, it's usually pretty good, makes the numbers easier. And we can pick the point 1, 2. So we have these 2 points. And first of all, we know the y-axis, or the y-intercept. So we have y is equal to mx plus the y-intercept is where the line intersects the y-axis, which is here at the origin. So b is 0, right? The value of y when x is equal to 0 is 0. Y is equal to mx plus 0, so y is just equal to mx. And now we can find the slope. So the slope is going to be equal to the change in y over the change in x between these 2 points. So from here to here, y changes from 2 to 0, so the difference is 2 minus 0. And then for x, it goes from 1 to 0. So our change in x is 1 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 divided by 1 is 2. So we have y is equal to 2x. So we have to relate this with d and m. So our y-axis is actually the d-axis, we can see up there. So y we put in for d, 2, and then the x-axis is actually m, so 2m. So just plugging these in, you get your final equation is d is equal to 2m, which means a is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.